welcome back to my channel. It's Janet here, and I've got some exciting news for you. So, we are in Walt Disney World. More specifically, we're actually staying at the Wilderness Lodge in Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. So I'd like to give you a room tour now and show you what our room looks like, and so you can familiarize yourself if you're interested in coming down and staying at the Wilderness Lodge. I'll also be giving a full hotel tour as well, so you guys can fully see the resort and all the amenities and the restaurants that it has. But I'm really excited to share this with you. I'm over the moon that we are in Disney right now, so more to come on the different parks. But right now, let's just do the room tour. So the room tour is a 1 king bed water view room. So just to give you guys an idea of what you're going to be looking at. Hi guys. So just wanted to give you a tour of room 431 at Wilderness Lodge. So as you walk in, you've got a nice amount of space in here. Or luggage rack in here as well. An extra blanket, but a decent amount of space to hang your clothes up. What's over here? The safe is over here, and it's the handheld steamer, so that's pretty sweet. Handheld steamer and the safe, and more areas for storage. This is a nice little setup. They have a Keurig coffee. We ended up bringing our own water in, but definitely a nice little setup if you want coffee in your room in the morning. What's down here? Okay, so you have a fridge down here too. That's a nice feature. Going into the bathroom, 2 sinks, which is great. You have the H2O Disney products there. Moving into the bathroom, we have the shower. Everything looks newly remodeled, which is lovely. Shower and toilet in here, and it closes. Gives you some privacy if somebody is using the sink area over here. And again, hair dryer, a little bit of storage space, but really ample enough space. We walk into here. We have a 1 king bed room with a water view, so I'll show you guys that in a minute. But yeah, you have a little desk over to the left here. So just enough to pull out that laptop and be able to do some work. TV, another chair with a footstool. And when you come out, onto your balcony, you've got 2 chairs to sit, a little small table, and we do have the water view. So beyond the pool, we still have a water view of the lake straight out there past the trees, if you can see. So all in all, I think it's a great view. So we're excited to start our vacation, and I will be back later with some more footage.